Hello everyone and welcome aboard. Today, we're embarking on one of the most extreme journeys imaginable. Forget climbing Mount Everest. We're going in the opposite direction, down to the deepest part of our planet. Our destination is the Challenger Deep, located in the southern end of the Mariana Trench. It's a place of crushing pressure, eternal darkness, and mysteries that we're only just beginning to understand. Our submersible, the Odyssey, is ready. It's a marvel of engineering, built to withstand pressures over 1,000 times greater than at the surface. Are you ready to witness a world that fewer people have seen than have walked on the moon? Seal the hatch. Start the countdown. Our descent into the abyss begins now. As we leave the sunlit surface world behind, the light quickly begins to fade. We're now entering the twilight zone, or the mesopelagic zone, which extends down to about 1,000 meters. The vibrant blues of the surface water have given way to a deep, inky blackness, pierced only by our submersible's powerful lights. Look out the viewport. What you're seeing are flashes of bioluminescence. This is the language of the deep, a silent disco of light created by countless organisms. See that strange, ghostly shape? That's a siphonophore, a colonial organism that can grow to incredible lengths, sometimes longer than a blue whale. And over there, that's a dragonfish, using a glowing lure to attract its next meal in the perpetual night. Every flicker of light tells a story of survival in this alien environment. We've now passed the 2,000-meter mark and are entering the bathyal zone, often called the midnight zone. The pressure here is immense, and the temperature is just a few degrees above freezing. Life gets even stranger here. Our lights just caught something. It's a vampire squid. Despite its menacing name, it's a relatively small and docile creature. When threatened, it doesn't squirt ink but a sticky, bioluminescent mucus to startle predators. And look, slowly drifting by is a Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins that it flaps to gracefully propel itself through the water. It's a surprisingly cute resident of this harsh world. These creatures have adapted in ways that seem like science fiction, developing unique physiologies to thrive where no sunlight can ever reach. We are now descending deeper than any whale has ever dived, crossing into the abyssopelagic zone, or the abyssal zone, starting at 4,000 meters. The name says it all. The abyss. The pressure is now over 400 times that at the surface. It feels like we've landed on another planet. The seafloor here is a vast, muddy plain, but it's not lifeless. Our lights reveal a bizarre-looking creature, a sea pig. It's a type of sea cucumber that uses its tube-like feet to walk along the ocean floor, scavenging for food particles that have snowed down from the waters above. This marine snow, composed of dead organic material, is the foundation of the food web down here. It's a slow, patient world where life moves at a different pace, conserving every ounce of precious energy. The pressure is building relentlessly. We're passing 6,000 meters, entering the hadal zone, named after Hades, the underworld. This zone is comprised of the world's deepest trenches, including our destination. Down here, the water pressure can exceed 1,100 atmospheres. It's equivalent to having 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. It's a testament to our technology that we can even be here. Life here is sparse, but it is persistent. We're spotting some amphipods, which are like large, shrimp-like crustaceans. In the hadal zone, some species exhibit gigantism, growing much larger than their shallow water relatives, a phenomenon scientists are still trying to fully understand. They are the ultimate survivors, carving out an existence in the most inhospitable environment on Earth. We're approaching 8,000 meters. The view outside is otherworldly. Our sonar is picking up some unusual geological features. These are hydrothermal vents. They're like underwater geysers, spewing superheated, mineral-rich water from beneath the Earth's crust. And clustered around them is a thriving community of life. Look at those clusters of tube worms with their bright red plumes. They have no mouth or digestive system. Instead, they rely on a symbiotic relationship with bacteria inside their bodies. These bacteria perform chemosynthesis, converting the toxic chemicals from the vents into energy. It's a completely different kind of life, one that doesn't depend on the sun at all. It's a powerful reminder that life finds a way, even in the most extreme conditions imaginable. The final leg of our descent. The depth gauge is ticking past 10,000 meters. The sheer weight of the ocean above us is almost incomprehensible. The TC is performing flawlessly, its titanium hull holding strong against the crushing force. Outside, it's a world of profound silence and darkness, a realm we are only just beginning to explore. We are intruders in a kingdom that has been hidden for eons. The creatures we've seen so far, like the ghostly snailfish, are masters of this domain. The Mariana snailfish is one of the deepest living fish ever discovered. Its gelatinous body perfectly adapted to withstand the pressure that would instantly crush us. It's a humbling sight seeing life so resilient, so beautifully adapted to this extreme world. We are nearing the bottom. The altimeter shows just a few meters remaining. And then, touchdown, we've made it. We are resting on the seafloor of the Challenger, deep, approximately 10,984 meters below the surface. This is the lowest point on the face of the Earth. Through the viewport we see a fine, pale silt. It's a landscape that feels serene, almost sacred. For decades, scientists thought nothing could live here. But we now know that's not true. Even here, microscopic life, single-celled organisms called foraminifera, thrive in the sediment. They are the true pioneers of the deep, a testament to life's incredible tenacity. We will spend a short time here, collecting samples and data, a brief visit to a place that will forever change our perspective on the planet. Our time at the bottom is up. The ascent has begun. As we rise back towards the surface, we carry with us not just samples and data, but a profound sense of awe. We've journeyed to the most remote and hostile environment on our planet and found it teeming with life, beauty, and wonder. From the glowing creatures of the twilight zone to the chemosynthetic communities around hydrothermal vents, the deep sea is a universe of its own, full of secrets waiting to be discovered. This journey reminds us how much of our own planet remains unexplored and how vital it is to protect these unique, fragile ecosystems. The deep ocean isn't just a dark, empty void. It's a living, breathing part of our world. We're breaking the surface, back into the light and air. The journey is complete. What an incredible experience, a voyage to the bottom of the world. We've seen firsthand that even in the deepest, darkest corners of our planet, life finds a way to flourish in the most extraordinary forms. The mysteries of the deep sea are far from solved, and expeditions like this are just the beginning. There's a whole world down there waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure into the abyss. I hope it's inspired you to look at our oceans with new eyes. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for our next expedition. Thanks for watching.